sweat, make me hotter, make me lose my breath, make me water.
So guys, I'm loving this view. I don't know, can you guys see what's going on behind me? I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm in a noisy environment and I'm not with my mic, but I just decided to do this video for you guys. The background is backgrounding, so I'm going to get some things and I decided to go to the bank as well. I want to go to Lloyd's Bank because I have something I want to do there. I also want to go to a telecommunication center because I have an agreement with them and I was supposed to submit some document with them today. So I have decided to go there. I don't know if they are going to open today. They just asked me to bring it to them, but I forgot to ask them if they are opening on Sunday because today is Sunday. Guys, I'm going to show you guys my view. I'm going to show you guys my outfit, but I just don't want to spoil that background. So let me show you guys my full fit. I still have to look back. Yeah, so this is my full fit. Let's go back to how it was, like this. So I'm looking all UK vibes. Sorry, I don't like it this way. I don't think I'm gonna talk much, guys, because like I said earlier on, the background is really noisy. And also I'm going to Raya and I'm going to an African supermarket to go get something today because I want to cook, and I've decided to either prepare yam porridge or plantain porridge. I don't know which of them I'm going to be preparing today, but I'm going to figure that out. The price is going to determine what I'm going to cook. Okay, a lot of people are staying up, but I don't give a that. But anyways, guys, I'm really feeling myself with this background. I think I'm going to take some pictures with this background, or probably just make video about it and I'll be done. Oh my god, see guys, I just finished talking to you guys and the sun is coming out. You guys, the sun is the filter that you need. But anyways, I'm going to talk to you guys like oh, this is beginning of a new vlog. Actually, welcome back to my channel. I talk too much, I know. So we have a vlog coming up for you guys. Just stay tuned, okay? Subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, join this fam, and thumbs up this video as we continue. Ciao.
Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, act a fool for you. Love's like a riddle, yeah. Give me the clues of the riddle. Oh, I'm just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can't be bitter. This one, she's fine.
Hey guys, it's been like forever I spoke to you guys. I don't know, I have lots of vlogs that I'm here to edit. I'm currently at the library and I'm trying to like complete one of my assessments. Guys, it's been so overwhelming this period because of assessment, and I'm trying to meet up to my deadline because I don't want to, I don't want to rush myself before submitting. But anyways, it's been long I spoke to you guys. I don't know. It's been really long. I have a few vlogs that I'm yet to edit, and I just hope I'm able to finish this assessment early so I'll be able to edit those vlogs. And on Sunday, hopefully a video will go up. Guys, I needed to show you this top. I didn't make a vlog regarding this when I shot an Instagram video for it. So this is from a brand. It is new trends, and they are into fashion wears, into bag. They even gave me a turtle bag. Let me show to you guys. I don't know if it's called turtle bag or tote bag. I think some people call it tote bag and some people call it turtle bag, or is it just me that call it turtle bag? But anyway, so this is the bag that came with this top. I'm trying to like arrange it. So this is the bag that came with it, and they're both branded and delivered to me. And I was so excited to receive it, guys, because see me of yesterday getting PR packages already. Like, when I think I made a video that when I got my first skincare stuff, and I told you guys how I spoke that into existence, and coming again with more of this for you guys. So I'm just so excited about that. So at the moment, I will continue with my reading. I just decided to come up here and speak to you guys because it's been long before I will forget how to vlog. I think one thing about vlogging is the fact that when you vlog for some time and then you leave it, maybe next time when you pick up camera, you will not even know what to say. You just keep blabbing around. And I don't want it to stay long before I talk to you guys. So hence me coming here to speak to my babies. Hence me coming here to speak to you guys. Okay, so yeah, I'll continue with my studying and my assessment. I'm just looking left and right because I don't want people to just come inside. And yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later, guys.
Sensational, yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, act a fool for you. Love's like a riddle. Give me the clues of the riddle. Oh, I'm just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can't be bitter. This one, she's fine, oh yeah. If she wants this, then she got this. She know be control, yeah.
So guys, I really want to quickly talk to you guys because I'm looking cute and I want to just show you guys myself. So I made a video the last time that I got some items from Shein, and I was trying them out. I said I was going to show you guys the ones I'm going to return. I don't know if I'm going to insert the clip here, but if I don't, then you guys are going to see it on another video. So I have some of the items here that I'm going to return to Shein. There's a particular pant I got. The pant was quite big for me, so I'm going to return that. Then the shoe was small for me. I'm going to return that as well. And then the bags, I hope I get to insert the bags here for you guys, because with the rate at which I got it, guys, it was so tiny, it was so small, and I don't even think I can gift that to my kid sister. I don't think I can give that to any of them. Like, I can gift that to any of them. So because of that, I'm going to return that. So I'm looking all cute, I know, like I said earlier on. And I'm going to try and take some pictures before night time because it's already past 3. Yeah, it's already past 3. So yeah, I'm going to take a picture for you guys. I love this scarf I threw on. I'm looking like one kind Alaja. I'll get to talk to you guys, or probably show you guys. I'll show you guys the place I'm going to drop it off, and I'm going to talk to you guys later. Okay, ciao ciao.
I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours, say things you don't understand. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand.
Guys, I've gotten to the location here. but I can't find the place. I don't know if I lost my way or so, but I'm going to try and ask someone else. So I'm happy I was able to get the place. It was actually inside Tesco supermarket, and I got to the place right now. The only thing now is that they said something was following me. I don't know what's that. So the only thing now is that they said I have to print out the QR code. The key Q. They said I have to print out the QR code. I have to print it out um before they attend to me. So I had to drop my package there. My package is still there with them. So I'm going to the school library now. Thank God the school library is quite near from me. It's just across there. So yeah, I'm definitely sure you guys cannot see it. So I'm just going to go to the school library and print out the QR code. I don't even know what's happening to my tongue this evening, but honestly I feel like something is following me. I feel like something is dragging alongside. Was it my clothes? So I just have to go to the place now and print it out, and then I'll go back there to sort out the stuff, and I'll be done with them. Okay. So I've been able to print out both of them. Just print out this one. She said she needs two, so I'm going to do it again for the second time. I decided to go to Boots instead of going directly to the shop. I was supposed to go give them this QR code. Since Boots is nearer, I'll quickly get to Boots and purchase what I wanted to buy before going to that place. I can't just imagine myself going directly to that place and coming back to go to Boots again. So I'll go to Boots first to purchase what I wanted to buy, and then head back to the every shop. So I just remembered that I was supposed to go to Lloyd's Bank as well to go transfer some money. So I'll take you guys to Lloyd's Bank. I'll finish the transaction, then yeah, we'll leave.
Your back in a asset, come make you spend on my house rental. Say this your body in a project, oh my licha, I want kwakamishi, carry calamity, but to me I want chop you like a pano. See Maratona, she won't play me corner, she won't give me for my. See Maratona, she won't play me corner, give me for my.
Hey guys, I just finished with the bank right now and I'm about to head out. I went to Boots to get those stuff I told you guys about, and the prices there, I don't know, the last time I purchased from them they were on promo and everything was quite cheap, but this time around the price was kind of high. I'm about to head out now and I'll talk to you guys later. Right, so guys, I am done like with everything. It was actually a quick run, like a quick errand today. It actually took me like 2 hours plus to finish everything I came here to do, and I'm so excited I was able to deliver it today, and hopefully they get to send me back my money soon. Right now I'm heading back home. I'm gonna cook later this evening, but I'm not gonna include it in this vlog. So yeah, I'm going to be ending this vlog here. If you watched this point, thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you for watching to the rest. Thank you for watching to the end of this vlog. Thank you. Woo, I love that so. Woo! sun is filter. God, I wish I've been seeing this sun since. So thank you for staying tuned. If you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay connected to this page, stay connected to this channel. Thank you very much. I just want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, even though most times I feel like it's boring. But yeah, thank you for always coming back to watch it. I'm heading back home now, so get to see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.